Hello everyone, welcome to part 135 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the coupon course module, and in this video we are going to display the coupon scores in admin panel with active, inactive and delete functionality. Okay, so in last video we have seen that we able to generate the coupons table and we able to insert some of the dummy coupons, two manual and one automatic coupon we have generated so far. Okay, so we are going to display these coupons first of all in the admin panel. So we're going to add the coupons module in the admin panel, and let's start. So I'm going to close the earlier files and we'll straight away create the coupons route in web.php file, and here I'm going to create the coupons route here somewhere. Okay, so right after the banners we are going to create the coupons route. Okay, so I'm going to create the route here, coupons route. Okay, coupons, and here first of all we are going to create the get route for the coupons in which we're going to display all the coupons. Okay, so coupons controllers will come up here that we have created in the last video, and in that we're going to add here the coupons. Okay, so these coupons I'm going to uh, open the controller here and we'll create the function coupons function I'm going to create here. Okay, but first of all we're going to add here, going to include the coupon model. So here we are going to add the coupons function. Okay, so here I'm going to add the coupons function. So here I'm going to coupons, and we'll get all the coupons from the coupon model, whether the coupon is active or inactive. We are going to get all the coupons here. Okay, so we can also convert it to array or to convert the coupons to array, but it is not necessary. If you don't want to convert it to array, then it's your wish. Okay, so we are going to return this coupon to admin. We're going to create another folder in admin. Okay, inside admin we're going to create the coupons folder. Inside that coupons folder we are going to create the coupons blade file. Okay, so and we are going to send all these coupons json data here. Okay, so we are going to create this blade file, coupons blade file now. Okay, so I am going to this is my folder, resources, views, admin, and here I'm going to create new folder, coupons folder. I'm going to create coupons. So inside this folder I'm going to create the file. Here in Mac I'm going to create the file like this, touch coupons .blade.php. so I'm going to create this file inside the coupons folder, and if you are in Windows you can simply go inside the folder and can create new file. Okay, so this one I'm going to just bring this one here in my sublime. Okay, so I'm going to copy from some other so I want to get the layout. Okay, so the layout we can copy from anywhere else, so I will just copy this layout and will paste here. Okay, and here I am going to make changes and coupons. Okay, everywhere I'm going to make it coupons. Okay, so also I'm going to add this one case sensitive. Okay, so now like this, so I'm going to select all coupons, and where else I also here this one I'm going to replace it with the coupon. Okay, and this brand I'm going to replace with the coupon as well. Okay, so I'm going to replace it with coupon, this one like this. Okay, so yeah, now it's fine. And now here I'm going to make it like id code, after that coupon type, so after coupon type amount, so after amount, expiry date of the coupon. See, only main things we are going to show here. Okay, rest of the details we are going to show in add edit coupon functionality, in which we are going to show all the details. So here we are going to show coupon id, then coupon. See, we are, see now see, if we want to use the array here, then we will simply convert it to array, to have the array of all the fields, like this one, to array. Okay, now we can use this one like id, after that coupon code. Okay, after coupon code, coupon type. Okay, so after coupon type, we are going to show the coupon amount. Okay, so now we are going to add the amount, coupon amount. Okay, so coupon amount can be in percentage or can be the fixed amount. So what we are going to do, see, first we will add the coupon amount, and after that we are going to add the condition here. Okay, so we are going to add here coupon amount, coupon amount. So we are going to add the condition like if coupon amount equal to percentage. Okay, so it will be in percent, else we are going to add the INR. Okay, so we are going to edit like this. Okay, so INR or USD, whatever. Okay, whatever is the currency for the fixed amount that we are going to add here. Okay, so if it is USD, then we are going to add here the USD. Okay, so the percentage or the fix. Okay, so that we are going to add, and after that the expiry date will come. Here we are going to add the expiry date for the coupon, and then coupons module, full access, and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, we are going to add, so that will work fine. And make sure one more thing we are going to add, like I'm going to open the brand controller here, and this one set admin subadmin permission. So this one is setting that we can add here, so that we are not required to work later on this. Okay, so I'm going to add this straight away. After this one, I'm going to add it here like this. Okay, so here I'm going to add coupons. Okay, so here I'm going to replace here brand with coupon. Okay, so I'm going to replace the brand with coupon like this. Okay, so rest everything I think seems to be fine, and make sure the brand is, yeah, fine. And one more thing we are going to add here, we are going to set the session for the coupon, like uh, okay, here, so that we can highlight in sidebar. Okay, coupons. So let's come back here. I think it seems to be fine now. We are going to see in the admin panel. I am going to open the admin panel here, and we'll see whether the coupons are going to display or not. See, I'm going to open here the coupons. Okay, let's open, and here the session is required for here. Okay, so I'm going to add the session here to session. Okay, so here admin's role, I'm going to add the admin's role here, role. Okay, like this. And let's check once more time, then auth, use auth. Okay, so now coupons module. Okay, so this one undefined variable, so because we have not passed that coupons module, we need to return this coupons module here to the coupons blade file that we have just generated. Yes, now we are able to display all the coupons here in the admin panel. You can see Okay, so I'm going to add the data type as well in admin layout file. I'm going to open the admin layout file, and here I'm going to add the data type for the coupons as well. Okay, so here I'm going to add the data table for the coupons as well, and here you can see the data table has been added. Now we can able to search for any specific coupon. Okay, so also the pagination and other things will come up. So after this one, now we are going to add the active inactive status for the coupons, and for that I'm going to require as well as the active inactive as well as the delete functionality. So for both I'm going to add its route straight away. I can pick from other functionalities like the brand. I'm just going to paste this one, and we'll add here the coupon. Okay, update coupon status, and here also I'm going to update the in place of brand I'm going to add here the coupon. So first of all, update coupon status, I'm going to add this update coupon status function in the coupon controller. I'm going to copy this one, these two functions I'm going to copy from the brand, and will just simply add for the coupon. Okay, no need to write the complete functions again and again. Okay, so here I will check for the case sensitive so that I can replace straight away. Okay, I'm going to replace the brand with the coupon, and will also replace the brand in lowercase to the coupon as well. Okay, so our functions are also ready, and now I'm going to open the custom.js file, custom.js in front. Okay, so here like I have done for the brand, so I can just simply copy the same code for here as well. I can simply search for the brand status here. uh, make sure that we have opened the custom.js file inside the admin. Okay, and here I'm going to copy this update brand status. Okay, and we'll paste it, and then we are going to make here change. Okay, here I'm going to add the coupon. Okay, we are going to update the coupon status here, coupon here as well, and also we are going to add this coupon here as well, update coupon status, and the rest of the things we are going to update like brand, we are going to replace it with coupon. Okay, so now I'm going to try here. I will try to make the status active or inactive. I'm going to make it inactive. Okay, some error has come up. I'm going to check that what error is coming. Let's see the error in console. I'm going to check in console. Okay, and here the display must be correct, the display must be correct. Okay, so here once again I am going to here try to make it inactive, and see internal server error is coming up, and see what's the error exactly. So it is saying the coupon controller target class coupon controller does not exist. So some kind of error I noticed, that our controller is not correct, it is coupons controller. Okay, s must come here. Now the controller is correct. So now we are going to try once again. I'm going to refresh, I'm going to close. Let's see, I'm going to see now. See, I can able to inactive straight away. Okay, how fast it is, we able to update instantly. Here you can see the status for the coupon is inactive. Now I am going to make it inactive. One coupon I have make it active. I'm going to check here, one status is active. Okay, so another one I'm going to make active. Okay, now the two coupons are active. I'm going to refresh once again. You can see the status is active for the other coupon as well. So active inactive status for the coupon is working fine now. Now we are going to work on the delete functionality. So for the delete, we have already added the route, we have already added the function. So I'm going to click on this delete route. Make sure that in coupons.blade.php file that we have added here the record as well as the record id. In record the coupon will come, and in record id that coupon id will come. Okay, so I'm going to click on delete, like the third coupon I want to delete. If I will click on cancel, then it will not delete, and if I'm going to click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete this coupon. Yes, it has been deleted, the coupon deleted successfully. Okay, so finally we able to delete the coupon as well. Okay, so our active inactive as well as the delete functionality is working fine for the coupons. So in the next video we will start working on the add coupon functionality, so please stay tuned for the next video. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.